Hi everyone, this is Bicol Mad Recipe. Welcome to my brand new channel and FB page. This is a short video to introduce myself. So I will be filming different food variety of any cuisine, different way of making sauces, different cooking style, and any food related that I will encounter. Pero I think not for now kasi I still don't have the proper cooking materials, tools, and equipments that I needed. And hopefully, soon enough, makabili agad ako. That's why for now, I'm gonna be filming my daily cooking session. So guys, please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook page, and TikTok account that I'm gonna be posting my very first video. Again guys, please follow and subscribe. Thank you guys. Happy cooking!
Bicolanong Uragon! Si Ram sana!